Section 5. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is G. G for grapes. I want you to find the letter G on page 5 in your book. Page 5 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound G. Say the sound and words after me. G, G. G for glass. G for gun. Let's read it again. G for glass. G for gun. We are now going to practice writing the sound G. Put your finger on the first G. I'm going to show you how to write the sound G. We go round, make an A, and give it a tail. I'm going to show you again. We start under the line, go round, straight up, down, and give it a tail. Put your finger on the first G and trace it with your finger. Now I want you to take a crayon and trace the first G. Now that you have traced the first letter G, let's go to the second letter. Put your finger on the second letter. I am going to show you how to write the sound G. We write a K, make it an A, and give it a tail. Trace the letter with your finger. Now please take a crayon and trace the second letter G. Now that you have traced the second letter G, let's go to the last G. Put your finger on the last G. I'm now going to show you how to write the sound. Round, touch the bottom, up, down, give it a tail. Trace the letter with your finger. Now take a crayon and trace the last G. Let's read it again. G for glass. G for gun. Now that you have practiced writing the sound G, see if you can write the letter on your own. If you have finished writing the letter G on your own, you can color in the picture grapes. G for grapes. I like to eat purple grapes for lunch. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to classroom 1, section 6.